Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Spark driver account. Now, this is going to vary from person to person, but this is going to be for people who have logged onto our Spark driver account and see that their notification has been deactivated. So there's multiple ways you can do this. This is just one of the ways. We're going to click on account deactivated. Then we're going to click on the bottommost drop-down menu that says, what if I have further questions or disagree? And then it's going to say if you're interested in filing an appeal regarding your deactivation, you can go here. So click on go here. And then this is where you need to submit an appeal. And so with it, you do need to go into your email. And the way I did it was I actually went into my email and searched the word Spark driver. And I found the email that was titled, your Spark driver account has been deactivated. So find that email and they're going to give you the reason as to why you've been deactivated. So we're going to select an issue and click other. And then the issue we're going to say is I did not maintain a valid earnings method. And so that's the reason why I was deactivated. Yours might be completely different. So make sure you check that email. Now we're going to explain why we're submitting this appeal. We're going to say, I would like to start for Spark again, and I do have a valid earnings method through, let's say, Chase Bank. Now it's going to ask you to submit up to 5 files, but after this, we're just going to go ahead and then click on submit. And now you should receive a response within 5 days. There's no need to submit another appeal. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Walmart Spark driver account reactivated. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.